is Keish from KeishLife.com, and I am bringing you the makeup look I had in my previous video for the BoxyCharm unboxing. So yes, first up we're doing the Dip Brow Pomade in Chocolate from ABH. I love this. It just helps define my eyebrows. I just learned how to do this just 2 weeks ago. Thanks Tiara for all the insights, because beforehand, girl, I was struggling a little bit, but I am now starting to become a pro, so much appreciated. Then up next, I'm using the Dip Brow Gel in Auburn, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I have red hair, so it kind of helps me bring like a reddish brown hue to my eyebrows. This right here is red. Then the next step is LA Girl Concealer in Fawn, and I'm just going ahead and conceal and kind of define the top section of my eyebrow with this color. It's closer to my foundation color. And then I have Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Deep Sand, and I'm using that to kind of define my my bottom section of my eyebrow. And the reason why I do this and it's in my concealer shade is because I also bring it down to use the concealer for my eye makeup as well, just to kind of give it all an even base, okay? Next up is the ColourPop Truly Madly palette, and you see my face, I love it. It looks so beautiful, so bomb. So now we have the shade Pretty Cruel. You do have to put a lot on your brush to get some great color payoff, and it could just be because of our skin, like, you know, darker skin tone will probably have to use extra loving, but it's still pretty nice. So then now we're going into Shadow Too Much, and we're just putting it on our RV. We're just packing it versus smoothing. And then next up, we're going to go ahead and try to do a cut crease. And I learned this also in the makeup class that I took. And I'm trying to do a matte look, but as you see later on, it probably wasn't the best. First, I'm cutting my crease. Now, I am using the matte color Poodle, and it's not really working for me. I mean, I can see it. Instead, decided to go ahead and put the shimmer colors in, not the real heavy glitter ones, but Misty and Blossom I did end up putting on my eye, just because it was just becoming, I didn't really like just the matte look. It wasn't doing anything for me. So I decided to put Misty and Blossom to kind of add some glitter to my eyes, as well as I use the brush, but I also use my fingers too to kind of really intensify it. Now I'm going in with my primer from Milani. Is Prime Correct Medium Dark, and I really enjoy it. It's orange to kind of help with helping you correct dark spots. And then I am having now Maybelline Fit Me Matte Spicy Brown. The number is 338, and I'm just applying it with a brush. I used to apply with a beauty blender, but I just love the way a brush looks so much better than a beauty blender when you're doing foundation, I feel like. And this is an oldie but goodie. Now I'm back with my concealer in Tan Deep Sand by Tarte, and I'm just putting it on all the spots that I want to highlight. I'm using a damp beauty blender, so it's not dry, it's definitely damp. Next up, Laura Mercier. And my translucent powder, medium deep. I love this. This is like the best powder ever. Definitely for women of color. Then we have the contour, and we're using Black Radiance True Complexion Contour, medium to dark. I can get away with the light to medium, but I really like how snatched my contour looks when I use this one, so I normally just use this to contour. Next up, e.l.f. blush in medium deep. Add a little rosiness. Then Anastasia Sun Dip Glow Kit. Bronze is the highlighting kit. I love it. It's like a golden highlight. Then I'm just lining my lips with NYX Espresso. And then going in with ColourPop's just a nice gloss champagne mini. It kind of reminds me of Fenty, the original OG. And there you guys have it. Thank you for watching. See you soon.